Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From on the ear device, on the nose here, one and only Atafa the Press. Well, scores of commuters, including school children, were left stranded on Monday morning as residents of Belfield in central Manchester took to the streets to protest over bad road conditions. Councillor for the Belfield Division, Mario Mitchell, says he understands the residents' frustration. My wisdom warriors, let me tell you something. You see, this is a PNP area, and a long time this man called upon the National Work Agency and Central Manchester Member of Parliament, Rhoda Moy Crawford, to address the deplorable road condition, and nothing has been done. So when me see Andrew Wellness mouthpiece run with this, me have to laugh. Me have to laugh in my wisdom warriors, because everybody can tell by now, say, their favorite Andrew Wellness. You get me? You can tell, say, Andrew Wellness mouthpiece favorite the JLP. Because I see this man, Dunstan Bryan, resign, my wisdom warriors. And I'll know, me not say Andrew Wellness mouthpiece put it in the paper. I'll know, me not say them put it in the paper. What if you put it in the paper, they not put in the paper. You can't imagine? You can't imagine, my wisdom warriors, so them make it look bad. I know PNP fault. Look from when the PNP are called upon the National Work Agency, and I'll know they not do anything. Of course, the people, they have a right to come out and protest. The people, they have all right to come out and protest, my wisdom warriors. The people, they're tired of it. They're tired of the slackness. And there's not much the PNP can do. If the PNP call upon the National Work Agency and they want to delay it and take a piece, what can they do? They can't do nothing. That for sure no say Andrew Wellness is not for the people. This for make you look into yourself and know say Andrew Wellness can't be no president for Jamaica. Because he go favorite some and left some behind. And we don't want that. We don't want that, my wisdom warriors. We want democracy in our country, and at that we don't have democracy. You understand me? And this is what we want. Because when I see this in the paper, I say, mighty God, look the way how them write this thing. Look at the way how them write it. If people them have all right, my wisdom warriors, to protest a long time now. The place want fix, and a long time the councillor reach out to them and nothing. Nobody now hear from them. So this for sure to say the JLP a sabotage the PNP. This is to show you guys that them a sabotage the PNP. Uno tell me what you think. I want to take a look at the screen, my wisdom warriors. Andrew Wellness mouthpiece then come back out again. Look what they write for them thumbnail. Opposition Wholeness Administration unable to govern without Nigel Clark. Yeah? Opposition leader Mark Golding says without Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, the Wholeness Administration is not equipped to govern the country effectively. Want to hear them something here? This is where Andrew Wellness mouthpiece are put out. Mark Golding never said that. Mark Golding never said without Nigel Clark they can't govern the country. Mark Golding never said that all time mouth. Anyway, Dr. Clark is set to step down as Jamaica Minister of Finance to assume the position of Deputy Managing Director at the International Monetary Fund, IMF. While congratulating Dr. Clark on his appointment, Mr. Golding questioned why no successor has been named to fill the critical role. He did say that, but when Una come and talk about Mark Golding says without Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, the man never said no without Finance Minister. No, go so. The man never said that, my wisdom warriors. You see, these people, them a twist up the thing. and I mislead the Jamaican people. Uno fi stop it, man. Uno fi stop it. When did Mark Golding come out and says without Nigel Clark, Holness administration is not equipped to govern the country effectively? When the man come out and say that? How me not hear that and uno hear that? Me say, you see, uno always come out and twist things. This is what you guys do. Always come out and twist up things. Only hear Mark Golding come out and say, without Nigel Clark, the country can go on. No, he never said that. He never said that, my wisdom warriors. So, uno fi put out what the man say and stop uno foolishness. My wisdom warriors, take in this.
A government that is nearing the end of its life. When the Minister of Finance of a country, and one who has played such a central role in a government as Dr. Nigel Clark, can decide to cut and move to a foreign country to take up a work in the run-up to an election which is due within a year. Something wrong. Something wrong. What could be wrong? No, Nigel Clark is somebody who I have a good personal relationship with. And I congratulate him on a personal level for his appointment. I talked to you at a time when we have a government that is on the ropes. A government that is nearing the end of its life. When the Minister of Finance of a country, and one who has played such a central role in a government as Dr. Nigel Clark, can decide to cut and move to a foreign country to take up a work in the run-up to an election which is due within a year. Something wrong.
My wisdom warriors, something wrong. Something really wrong. Me hear them talk about loyalty. Who is loyal to Jamaican people now? Who is really loyal to the Jamaican people? No, my wisdom warriors, seriously, on a serious level. Let's just put it at that. Yeah? Them will get up every day and talk about Mark Golding, a British, and Mark Golding that go left Jamaica. Look what this man here do. I wonder if when I think when I think, my wisdom warriors. Hey! Wonder if when I think when I think. You know, say I run with the boy, I run with my wisdom warriors. The boy know what him do. He know what him do. In the finance department, he know what is going on. 1.7 trillion missing. 700 billion missing. And wholly more missing, my wisdom warriors. 88 million, 81 million. Wholly per money missing. Is he running away to save himself? Is he running away from... Hey, my wisdom warriors. Listen, I hear talking man say, I run him, I run away. And a real true talking man not talking. I run this a boy, I cut him a cut. Because him knows that the 8 and... Hey, listen. My wisdom warriors. Him knows say the 8 is under investigation for illicit enrichment. You know what? Some people out here talking about Nigel Clark is good. That's why IMF. Nigel Clark, good where? With which economy? Nigel Clark no good with Jamaica economy. Let me tell you now. Nigel Clark no good with it. Yeah, look on our money. Look at our money. Our money devalue. Look on inflation. Inflation alone should have shown us say the economy no good. So now make Andrew honest chicken about buses and all in foolishness there. My wisdom warriors, Andrew honest are tricky people them, telling them that improved public transport system will reduce cost of living. How? That is my question. How? Come and explain to us. How? Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the improvements made to the public transportation system form part of his larger plan to reduce the cost of living for Jamaicans. The Prime Minister made the comment while speaking to first form students at Jamaica College Monday morning. Andrew Holness, you spend and do some foolishness, really and truly, because you say you bring out this whole heap of buses. Come soon show it, you know. Me see uno show the whole heap of buses. And I wish uno would have ambulance after ambulance like that. The amount of buses when me see you have. And there is no ambulance. No ambulance. If you got the hospital, them my wisdom warriors. If you got the hospital, them 95.6% of the hospital then do not have ambulance. Una hear me, my wisdom warriors? The man use the money and buy so much bus. And uno Jamaican people I get excited. Uno taxi man. Uno no know say. Uno go lose for uno job. Uno no know say taxi soon stop run. Uno stay there. I laugh and like kiki with Andrew Wellness. Uno stay there. And uno Andrew Wellness I go take out a job. If uno never know that. And guess what happen now? When Andrew Wellness take uno out a job, Uber I take over phone roll. So uno can stay there a kiki with Andrew Wellness. Me say Andrew Wellness I go teach Jamaican people a lesson. Uno will never forget. Remember me at half of the press tell uno this. Uno say Andrew Wellness are bringing this bus. All these buses Andrew Wellness are bringing my wisdom warriors. Yeah, he have a plan. And uno now see it. Uno fail to see. The amount of buses plus he say, remember 100 he say he bring other day again. And he might go bring more buses. And unless he might use the bus and he might go take over the whole island. This is what, because he want to live like a foreigner. Yeah? Listen, I'm sorry for uno. Let me tell you that. You see, uno taxi man, uno go out a job. Uno go stop run taxi. Let me tell you friend. No. So all these buses, we want to see Andrew Wellness come with. Andrew Wellness have a plan. Andrew Wellness have a plan. So the taxi operator stay there and start protest for now. Stay there protest till they when you upset and then you stop and protest one next day. Stay there and get up off on the backside and secure on a job. Else you go see what happen. The whole of them buses they I go all over the island and then no taxi now go run pan road. Only Uber. Remember me tell you now. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think about Andrew Wellness idea, talking about improving, improve the bus system because people life can be better, as in it reduce living costs. Want to tell me how that reduce it? Want to come and explain it to me? Also, my wisdom warriors, tropical wave to bring thunderstorms to Jamaica on Wednesday. So I want everybody to be very vigilant and stay safe, because a strong tropical wave currently located in the eastern Caribbean Sea is expected to move across Jamaica on Wednesday. According to the Meteorological Service of Jamaica, this area of disturbed weather has a moderate chance of developing into a tropical cyclone over the next few days. And you know it's a cyclone and an easy thing. So you just make sure say you protect yourself, my wisdom warriors. You understand? And stay safe. Minister with responsibility for works, Robert Morgan, says the work phase of the government's 40 billion spark program is still scheduled to start in October. My wisdom warriors, what is this Nesta Morgan talking about? Now yesterday Andrew Wellness come out and say 3 billion he is giving. 3 billion he might give to improve the network. And that him say, it's a 2-year road rehabilitation project. So nobody trick the Jamaican people. I can't talk about sparks. And then Andrew Wellness talk about rehabilitation project. It is the same thing. My wisdom warriors, the sparks and the rehabilitation is the same blasted thing. They make Jamaican people think they are two different things. Are the same thing. Andrew Wellness say I'm going to take 3 billion. Remember, say Andrew Wellness come out, my wisdom warriors, and say 40 billion. Yesterday, day before yesterday, what did he say? Take a look at this. Prime Minister launches 3 billion Reach Road Rehabilitation Program. Look at that. Prime Minister launches 3 billion Reach Road Rehabilitation Program, my wisdom warriors. This is what it said. I want to look good, And it's a Prime Minister Andrew Wellness today announced the launch of the government's Reach Road Rehab Program, a comprehensive national road rehabilitation initiative valued at 3 billion. Him say he value at 3 billion. When he came out the other day, he said valued 40 billion. And that Andrew Wallace tell we. You understand? My wisdom warriors, I want to know look good, you know. I want to know understand, you know. A 40 billion income can tell we say everything valued, you know. So how comes after a sudden a 3 billion? Then they have this money and Nesta Morgan come out. So because in here we are talk about it. In here people are complain about it. So you want tricky people them now and making people them think that it is two different programs. Are the same blasted thing. And then say National Road Rehabilitation Initiative valued at 3 billion. My wisdom warriors. So when Nesta Morgan go with this? Nesta Morgan, where you go with that? Where you go with that? But my wisdom warriors, you know what them plan? You know what's their plan? Them are going to use this now and do the rehabilitation program. And meanwhile, them are fix road, them buy vote. And that them are use the money and I go do. Remember me telling you that. And meanwhile, them are go through and fix the road them. Then them are go call the election. No wonder why you hear people say December them will call election. But this is their plan and Peter Bunting was right all along. But the question when I want to ask, Andrew Wallace, you came out and you tell us, so the Sparks program are valued at 40 billion. So how comes yes or yes say a 3 billion the value? Nothing I hide and me say, you know, uno come out and attack these things. Me just break it down and explain it to the people them. So where's the rest of the money? What you gonna do with the rest of the money? My wisdom warriors, you know say them people have to go to prison. You know say these people to go to prison. You know see that door. And Honest just came out and tell we say the Sparks program value 3 billion. After I don't tell we already say 40 billion the value. Then through the year everybody a talk about it and people are catch up. Yeah? Them are try to play a catch up now. Send out Nesta Morgan to come mislead the Jamaican people. And then you have the mouthpiece. Them a put, hey, you say, oh no, the whole of uno go to prison. The whole of uno. Because enough of uno. Enough of uno newspaper out there. Enough of uno news media are public officials too. Enough of uno out there. Enough of uno out there are part of the illicit enrichment. Because remember, you know, we have 28 officials. 28 public officials that is under ongoing investigation for illicit enrichment. That is working with the 8 parliamentarians, my wisdom warriors. And I'm not now hide. You understand me? So I don't know when they start go with this a foolishness here. I saw to take Jamaican people for fool, man. My wisdom warriors. Minister with responsibility for our works, Robert Morgan, says the work phase of the government 40 billion Spark program is still scheduled to start in October. This is a lie. This is a lie, my wisdom warriors, because Andrew Wallace come out. So which one of them I tell lie? Andrew Wallace or him? Because Andrew Wallace just come out and say a 3 billion he might give. He said the shared prosperity through accelerated improvement to our road network Spark program is a 2-year road rehabilitation project aimed at transforming the island road network. Hey, my wisdom warriors, they might use this year to win the election. That's why they might take 2 years. You think they're easy? You think these people easy? So una go take, una sister, we need ambulance, we need fire truck, we need equipment. There is so much things needed in a Jamaica, and una rather take the money if you go buy election, because me know say that una go do with it. And I not hide. Everybody knows say that una always do, not too wicked. The program will target more than 2,000 community. My wisdom warriors, the program will target more than 2,000 community. And the same thing Andrew Wallace said. Andrew Wallace said the 3 billion have to go share between the 63 constituency. And that Andrew Wallace say, so me not understand what is going on. So how Andrew Wallace I say 3 billion. Remember say, you know, him say 40, then he come out and say 3, and then this a man, you know, show him work. You see where they put him? You see where they put him? Me rotted wall. He take over my boy the space. Everall Warmington. Hey, bombard. My wisdom warriors. The whole of them have to go to prison. The whole of them. This a money. No wonder why you see. John, no wonder why you see. No. The people them up a Belfield road can't fix. Every time the people them come out and protest, my wisdom warriors. Enough is enough, man. Enough is enough. We need to get them out. time come. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, remember to join to become a patron of this channel, because very soon I'm going to have all names on my screen. All right, so guys, remember to become a patron of this channel, and you do this by joining the membership group. All right, so you click on join and then you join the membership. All right, everybody that join, a badge is going to be next to their name, that. So now just big up on the nice clean self. One love.